Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are doing a simple eyeshadow look using only two eyeshadows. So the first thing is to prime your eyes. If you have oily lid, you have to prime your eyes so that you will prevent your eyes from producing oil during the day. So I am using my Catrice Eye Foundation Primer. I am concentrating the primer on my crease because that is the only place that I produce oil. So the next step, you can skip this if you have no darkness on your eyelid. But if you look at my eyelid, you will see that it is darker than the rest of my eyes. So I'm going to cancel the darkness out for me to have even base on my eyes. So I am using my LA Gear Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. Then I'm using my brush to blend. So after blending, I'm going to set with my Sacha Buttercup. Whenever you use a liquid or a cream product, you set it with a powder so that the product doesn't move. So the next thing you will do after setting your concealer on your eyes is to look for an eyeshadow palette. So I am using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Rosé in the Air is the name of the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this color here as my transition color. You can use any matte eyeshadow here. When it comes to transition color is that color that brings the rest of the look together, but then it has to be matte. Don't use shimmer as a transition color. Yes, use matte eyeshadow. Eyeshadow that doesn't have any sheen, any glitter to it. So I am using this. So I'm going to tap off the excess and then concentrate it on my crease here. So I'm going to gently blend. Let me reduce the lightening so that you can see the actual color very well. Yeah. So you keep blending, going back and forth. One thing with eyeshadow application, start small and then you can build it up. Don't use too much because immediately you apply too much eyeshadow, it will be difficult for you to remove the excess. But when you start gradually, then you can build up. You will also have control over the color than applying too much, and at the end of the day, you'll be stuck with blending. So I'm going to apply again because the color is fading and I want it to show. I am blending from my outer V. Here is our outer V. The shape is V towards my brow bone, but not, as you can see, my brow bone is still clean. So I am blending before my brow bone and then to my inner tear dot. But I didn't bring the color to my lid because I need to add another color there as a lid color. You keep going back and forth until you see that the eyeshadow has blended very well. No patches, no harsh edges. So I think I am satisfied with what I have here. So I'm going to do this and then I will come back. So now that I have blended both eyes, I'm going to choose a lid color. So you can choose any color you want, but I am aiming for this color here. So this particular one has shine shimmer to it, so it can be my lid color without any problem. So I'm going to apply on my lid. Yeah. So when it comes to lid color, you can choose whether you want glitter, whether you want matte, whether you want the one that has sheen to it. But for the transition color, stay away from that. So I'm going to apply here too. So then after applying, you go back and gently blend the edges, only the edges where the lid color and the transition color mate. You gently blend. And while blending, don't do your brush like this because it's going to take some of the lid color. You do as if you are pointing it to the crease. So you do the same thing also here. So after applying your eyeshadow, then the next thing you will do is to apply your mascara, but I want to apply falsies. So I'm using my dual lash glue. So I'm going to apply it directly on my lash line. So I'm going to apply here too. So this is the falsies that I'm using today. It is from Kiss. So I'm going to hold it like this and then drop it on my eyes. I love dropping first at the center, then here, and then on my inner eyes. Always first drop at the center, then you can adjust the inner and the outer part. Then you can press both your lashes and the falsies to stick together. So this is my simple 2 eyeshadow look. So I'm going to go off camera, finish the rest of my look, and then I will be back. I have finished the whole of my face. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this my transition color and then do exactly what I did on my crease, on my lower lash line. So I'm going to apply. Be gentle, that eyeshadow doesn't enter your eyes. So I'm going to blend. You know, we want to do what we did to the crease, to the lower lash line. So I'm going to take more, and then you can also stamp like this, or you swipe. So after this, you can apply your mascara, which I'm gonna do in a second. I'm using my River the Loop high definition mascara, so I'm going to apply. So after that, I'm going to set my face. I am using my MAC Fix Plus matte. Shake the Fix Plus before setting because it had some whitish things inside it. If you don't shake the setting spray very well and you start spraying, you will notice that you will have some whitish cast on your face. So I really love shaking it very well. Then spray first to remove whatever that is on top of it, and then so beauties, this is the final look. So as a beginner, you start with 1 or 2 eyeshadow. You can even use only 1 eyeshadow on your eyes. So, but if you want to like spice it a little bit, then you go for 2 eyeshadows or even more. Like I said, transition color has to be matte so that it will bring whatever color you have on your lid together. Okay, hope you enjoy this type of makeup tutorial. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share my videos, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And then I will catch you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.